What a beautiful day! Let's find the perfect picnic spot.
The weather is amazing. I'll bring the backpack. I can't wait to play.
I'll prepare the sandwiches.
I'll spread the picnic blanket.
The backpack is right here. Let's eat first.
Who's ready for soccer?
Me! I'll race you.
Have fun! Wait, where's the backpack? It was here a minute ago.
Everyone stay calm.
Look, there are tiny footprints.
Let's follow them.
This is becoming an adventure.
The footprints stop here. Look at this broken tree branch.
Someone went this way.
There's a colorful feather.
Maybe a bird carried something. Let's keep going.
Let's keep going. Be careful near the water.
I see another footprint. We're getting closer. Is that our backpack?
No.
It's just a big rock.
No, it's just a big rock. The clues lead into the woods.
I'm not scared.
Stay together.
Look, a squirrel is holding a snack from our backpack.
It came from that direction.
Great observation.
There's a small cave.
Should we check?
Yes, but carefully.
I found our water bottle.
We're very close now. Let's hurry.
Look behind those bushes.
I see the backpack. We found it! We found it!
A playful raccoon dragged it away.
It wanted the snacks.
Mystery solved!
That was funny.
Sandwiches are better here.
Pass me the juice, Dad. I love this adventure. That was the best adventure ever. I learned so many new words.
Learning can be fun.
Let's come back someday.
Every new word is a new adventure. Me too.
And every adventure begins with learning.